Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And this one, as you might know, I started a how to make your own platformer game series. Um, so yesterday we made our ball, or which is a sprite, move like this and go up. But the thing was, it just flied, and it just flies, and we just don't want that. So in this one, I'm going to be teaching you how to, make your character jump, as well as make another level. So let's get started. So um, you first of all have to take out your um, the code in which you're telling it to jump up, and when this is done, you'll take out the oven up arrow key press and take it out, and grab a go to sensing and grab a touching color one, and do the color of your platform. So the color of my platform is black, so I'll do black. Okay, when this is done, you'll grab a when up arrow is pressed from the event section, which is right here. You can change it, but I have it already. And when you're done with this, you go to repeat and just put it inside the if then statement, and when you'll test, your character really doesn't fly. It just goes up and it's smooth, and yeah, it's nice. So when I'm done with that, I'll clean this up, and now let's make another um sprite for the next level. So I'm just gonna make a pretty nice yellow square. There you go. And then start make it a bit bigger. This big, yeah, that's big. That's enough. And keep it wherever you want. I'll keep it right here, like that. And then you can name it whatever you write. I'm gonna rename it to key. Yeah, that's it. And then you'll go, when this flag is clicked, forever, yeah, forever, if then statement, if touching sprite 1, which is the ball, switch to, wait a minute, we don't have a backdrop too. So I'm just gonna make a pretty nice backdrop right here. I'm gonna take the same color as this. This is must. You have to take the same color as your platform. So yeah, I'm gonna make another sprite. Another level. This is gonna be a bit hard. So first of all, I'm gonna make you up. When that's done, I'm gonna see how, how long it jumps. So I think it's around here. So we can mark. So to do this, you can put your thumb on the screen, like when I'm doing. You can't see because I'm sorry for the thing what I did. So you'll do this, and then, and remember this, you have to make the width same in all the stages. So don't do that, it just doesn't look nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna oops measure. How will I measure it? It's around right here. It's around there. Yeah, it's around here. Marking it. Let's mark it. See, a bit higher. This takes a bit time, but you have to wait. I think this is alright, so I'm gonna add some more to it. And ooh, let's add some more to this now. Now let's see. Yep, that's about it. I'm gonna rub this out, next spawn, and then rub this out. And now I'm gonna make the platforms so around about here, and they have to be thick. If they'll not be thick, your character will just fall off. So I'm gonna make them a bit smaller. But yeah, and you can add some background as well, which I'm gonna add later. I think. Wait, what happened? Let's redo it. There you go. I'm gonna just draw two of them like this, and the wait, what? Bit bitmap. It's not too good for, but yeah, there you go. And I'm gonna take the key, place it right here. And once this is done, I'm gonna see if the lever works. See, but the thing is, it just goes up high. So the thing is, we can make another sprite, but I made it up. I made the level, so you have to do it like that. This is sorry guys, but it has to be like that. So when you test it, it kind of works, and there's nothing to do about it. Then when this is done, you can just go. And what you'll do is now go to the key, and there you go. If touching sprite 1, let's move it right here. If you are touching sprite 1, which is the ball, you have to change backdrop to backdrop 2, or you can do next backdrop. And then you'll test it. Let's see, and there you go. And something happens. Oh, I get it. Let's do when this is clicked. Switch to backdrop 1. Switch to backdrop 1. So when I'll click it, clicking the frog, what's happening? I'm clicking. Wait, something's happening here. Wow. Let's just do switch to backdrop 2 because it really doesn't work with that. So I'm gonna do it like that and then test it. It works. So it goes to the first backdrop. The problem is when I'll switch to backdrop 2, it just stays there. So you have to do when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, which is this backdrop, you have to change X by first of all place your key wherever you want. And if you look at this changes, so just drag it right here, and when you'll test it, let's go to backdrop 1 first. it goes right up, and then you can play whatever you like. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next part. Bye bye. See you guys. Bye.